Hi guys, today we're making Graham balls.
Yeah, and I made mine so special.
Give me marshmallow. Using first marshmallow, you need Graham.
Mommy, can I have another like this?
Yeah, can get there. Where is it, Ate?
It's there.
Here, baby. Oh.
And then you need Graham. You do this and then it's like this. You roll it. You need more. This. Now I'm done with mine. Let's do it. It's in the milk. So good. It's so good. It's so nice that we made today.
Mommy, look, I'm so fast.
Yeah. Yeah, very good, baby.
The Grahams. It's yummy.
Give to Tito Ronnie, patis kay Tito Ronnie kung namin.
Balls, Mina. Monda, hino kami balls. Te, bayran mo ko. Bayran mo ko kami ha. Kay gina, ano nina, balik siya.
Okay, marshmallow again.
Ah, naglayo! Dapat hindi na nasinya. Bayrik ko ha. Tuod ng kwarta.
Negosyante ka na, get Mel, no?
Guys, now we're gonna put this actual at the milk.
That's so small.
Yeah.
Mine is so cute. This is mine. I'm gonna put it at the box, blue box. Oh, look at mine! Look at mine!
Yeah. Very good, my princess.
I practiced, but mine is a perfect circle. So I'm gonna make it again.
Yeah.
Gonna get a marshmallow. We need to pull that. Mommy, we need to pull that.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
We need more milk.
Mommy, how
We
much
have
is
milk
this gonna be?
The what?
This
That we're selling.
yeah,
5 pesos.
5 pesos. I'm gonna buy
If it's
here.
2, it's 10 pesos. Tita Ronnie, get 2.
Dito Ronde, nagkuha ka dua.
Did you taste? It's yum, right? Get now to have the money.
Ang pera. Ang pera. Next, kapag ito din, bibis kami di bala. Mommy, look at mine. If mine is ever getting these
Yeah, you have to make it circle.
I can't go. Can you just move another way?
Yeah. Pwede
We're
mo na
so
ni Ate mabalik yan sa school.
Huh?
Hmm?
Baby, smile good. Huh?
May kabalik yan, tapos yung school wala.
We have also like this.
Ah, may ara. Sino kabalik
It's
yan?
Graham ball also. I
Sino
put
kabalik
it-
yan?
It's the other students.
You want this to...
We buy this, it's 5 pesos. I buy it, it's so yum.
Mm.
Mommy, why are you following them?
Because I want you to learn this, how to make Graham balls.
Eat that.
I would not. Oh,
You
it's so
want-
cool there. Hi, Bobby.
Because Baby Smile, if you want to have a business, you have to learn it first, right?
My marshmallow.
I'm gonna taste the graham.
Do not
Small
do-
only, baby. Oh,
Good,
like
good,
that.
good. I'm gonna taste some. Almost. Yeah. This.
Who made this giant one? Who
It's
made
all me, the giant.
it? Oh, I need.
I'm already eating here.
Yeah.
Why are you?
You can make it to live, ate. Live on the Facebook live. Just live. Go to live on the Facebook. Guys.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys. We're making a graham